Oil service and inspection due warning reset in a Volkswagen Tiguan. This is a 2019 model, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that now. Alright, so the first thing we do is we use these buttons up here. This is the main one you're going to be using first, OK, and the arrows. We're clicking this screen, we get to driving data. When you get to driving data, you may need to use these arrows along there. What you want to do is get to range, you click OK. When you see that screen pop up, you press and hold OK. Once you let go, you see oil service reset, reset inspection. You go down to the one you want, click OK, reset oil service and service interval reset. Go down again, reset inspection. We start the engine. And as you can see, that service warning has now been reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.